Have you noticed a trend in gaming? More games are using fewer models, simpler rules, and smaller boards. Is this signifying that skirmish wargames have become the new normal? Skirmish wargames focus on small-scale battles. These games emphasize strategic decision-making and quick gameplay. Players engage in tactical skirmishes rather than large-scale armies. Let's break down this concept. First, fewer models mean easier management of units. You can quickly set up and start playing. Second, simpler rules enhance accessibility. New players can learn and enjoy the game without feeling overwhelmed. Third, smaller boards provide flexibility. You can play in various spaces, from a coffee table to a gaming convention. This accessibility caters to both casual and dedicated gamers. Consider a scenario where two players set up a skirmish game. They pick a few models each and lay out a compact board. Within minutes, they're engaged in strategic gameplay. This structure fosters quick decision-making and dynamic interactions. Players can explore different tactics without the long setup. To summarize, the rise of skirmish wargames highlights a shift towards simplicity and accessibility in gaming. Fewer models, easy rules, and compact boards make it appealing. Now, are you ready to dive into the world of skirmish wargames? Gather your friends and discover the excitement of quick, tactical battles. With skirmish wargames, you can say goodbye to those barriers. Imagine setting up a game in just a few minutes, where every decision counts and each move matters. This quick access to engaging battles invites spontaneity, allowing players to experiment and adjust their strategies on the fly. The thrill of a well-timed maneuver or a surprise tactic can be as captivating as a grand campaign, but in a fraction of the time. As you gather your friends around a compact gaming table, you realize that survival and victory depend on focus and ingenuity, rather than sheer numbers. Picture two players eagerly selecting their favorite models, excited to forge ahead into their tactical showdown. The anticipation builds as they deliberate over strategies, each contemplating how to outsmart the other in this intimate battlefield. With fewer models at play, every character feels significant, an integral piece of the unfolding drama. The simplicity of rules eliminates unnecessary distractions, allowing the focus to remain squarely on the game. A quick glance at the compact board reveals potential ambush spots and maneuver pathways, setting the stage for a cunning play. Before long, the laughter and cheers echo around the table, a testament to the exhilarating experience that skirmish wargames offer. As skirmish wargames continue to grow in popularity, the opportunity for creativity flourishes. Players not only customize their models, but also adjust gameplay mechanics to suit their preferences. This adaptability encourages a personal connection with the game, transforming each session into a unique experience. Whether it's altering unit abilities or creating themed scenarios, the potential for innovation in storytelling remains limitless. Each game can become a new adventure, tailored to fit the player's imaginations and aspirations. In this evolving landscape, skirmish wargames stand as a testament to how gaming can embrace change while remaining accessible and exhilarating. As players embark on these strategic journeys, they forge bonds, create memories, and redefine what it means to engage in battle. The universe of skirmish wargames awaits. Are you ready to join the ranks?